In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see completed tasks in Asana. Whether you're new to using this project management tool or have been using it for a while, knowing how to access your completed tasks is essential for keeping track of your work and reviewing your achievements. Let's dive in and make sure you can effortlessly monitor all your completed tasks in Asana. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Asana website, which is simply www.asana.com. If you already have an account, click on the login button and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. However, if you're new to Asana and don't have an account yet, that's no problem at all. Just click on Get Started or Try for Free to set up your account and follow the intuitive instructions provided by Asana to get started. Once you're logged in, you're already on your way to viewing your completed tasks. Head over to the left sidebar where you'll find the My Tasks section. This is essentially your personal workspace where you can view all tasks assigned to you. Click on My Tasks to proceed. Now the magic begins with filtering your tasks. Look for the small filter icon, usually located at the top of your task list. Clicking on this icon will allow you to refine which tasks you're viewing. In the options that appear, locate completion and select completed tasks. By doing this, you're instructing Asana to exclusively display the tasks that you finished, allowing you to focus on what has been accomplished. Another powerful way to view your completed tasks in Asana is by utilizing the search feature. At the top of your Asana dashboard, you'll see a search bar. Click on it and you'll notice an option for advanced search. This feature offers more detailed filtering, perfect for narrowing down to specific tasks. As you step into the advanced search functionality, direct your attention to the task status option. Here, you'll select completed to filter out any pending or ongoing tasks, ensuring you only see those tasks that you've ticked off your list. Finally, hit the search button. This will populate a list of all your completed tasks, giving you a comprehensive view of your accomplishments. This list is an excellent way to review your past work, analyze productivity trends, or simply bask in the satisfaction of a job well done. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you'll be adept at navigating your completed tasks in Asana, whether you choose to use the My Task section or the more expansive advanced search feature. With these skills, you'll keep a finger on the pulse of your project milestones and perhaps even discover new efficiencies in your workflow. Thank you for watching and happy task tracking.